Happy Tuesday, everyone. My name's Tom Dyer. Today we're making the Martinez Cocktail, one of my most favorite cocktails. Let's get it going.
Did you see that fly? There he is, coming in on my shot. Bloody cheek. Anyway, Martinez. I've polished up my mixing glass, ready for this. It's one of my favorite cocktails, the Martinez. And we're starting off with some sweet vermouth. I'm using Dubonnet, but you can use any sweet vermouth that you've got available. And we're gonna have 45 mils or an ounce and a half directly into your mixing glass. And then after that, we're gonna have some gin. Just some dry gin will work fine. And a same amount again, 45 mils or an ounce and a half into your mixing glass. All of that rhymes, doesn't it? Then up next, we've got some Luxardo maraschino liqueur. And I'm gonna be using 15 milliliters. That's about half an ounce. A little bit more than perhaps some other people, but I like it a bit sweeter. Now, my super deluxe secret ingredient, we've got some Luxardo cherry juice. And we're just gonna be using half a bar spoon's worth, so a couple of mils. You don't want to overdo it because then the drink will be way too sweet. Just a little bit, it adds to the color a little bit and it adds to the sweetness slightly as well. Finishing off with a couple of dashes of Angostura bitters. Stir that in. Now we need to add our ice. I'm using this clear ice made from my clear ice cube tray, which you can buy from my website. There's a link down below and it fits into pretty much any freezer at home. Makes great clear ice. Stir this up real good. You want to stir that up until you're happy with the dilution. Look, not even looking. Stirring's easy. You can go back the other way. And you want to just taste it and make sure that you're happy with the dilution. Let's see. Ooh, yes, delicious. Right, we do need to strain this out into our martini glass. Now, if you do want to try this at home, please be careful and perhaps try with a plastic glass. But whilst you're there, whilst we're straining this out, if you're liking this video, don't forget to click that like button. That really helps push this video to more people on YouTube. And hit subscribe if you are new around here, because then you can be notified, especially if you click that little bell when I upload super cool, awesome cocktails and moves like this one. And thank you very much for watching. So anyway, Martinez, straight now we're safe. Ooh, safe, yes. Martinez cocktail, we do need to garnish it with an orange peel. So we're gonna slice off a bit of orange, squirt over those oily goodness. There's that fly back in my shot. Over the top of the drink, wipe it around the edge, then just drop that inside the glass. And then we are ready for some tasting.
I'm excited to try this Martinez. The first time I ever had a Martinez was in a hotel in London, and it was when I wasn't a big fan of boozy cocktails. And I highly recommend for anybody who isn't a fan of boozy cocktails to try and make yourself one of these. Because if it's anything like I remember, it has quite a sweet edge to it. So if you have a bit of a sweet tooth and you don't like those boozy drinks, this one could be the one for you. This was the cocktail that helped me get into those boozy cocktails. Oh, you can't see it from there, but I'll try and show you. You can see all the oils on top of the cocktail. Yeah, you can see all those oils. Yes, and that's coming through on your aroma. All right, let's give it a try. Exactly how I remember it. Really boozy, sweet edge to it. The maraschino liqueur really helps balance out all that booziness. Plus the little dash of cherry syrup that I put in there, I really like. It gives it that extra cherry kick, and I really enjoy it. The orange sets it off, and I really think you'll enjoy this. If you don't like boozy cocktails, make yourself a Martinez, and then I dare you to come back to me and tell me that you didn't like it. Anyway, I hope you do try it out, because it's definitely one of my favorite cocktails, and I will be drinking all of this one all to myself. But before I go, I do want to say a massive thank you for watching, and I want to say a massive thank you for these legends here and for these legends right here who do support me over on Patreon. You guys are awesome, and if anybody watching wants to get involved, there is a link down below so you can find out more about what's going on over on that community. I'm doing live streams and video posts, plus you can contact me personally through the platform over there as well. But without further ado, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, like the video, all that lovely stuff. And until next time, I'll see you then.